This was the first question here. All of you made a good attempt, uh, but the reasoning was not sufficient in some cases. See, so what you were given, I'm just quickly telling you this. You were given these two lines here, and they were intersected by the transversal. You were given these two as the bisectors of these corresponding angles, and these bisectors were also parallel. And as to prove, you have to prove these lines are also parallel. These lines parallel means you have to prove anyhow AOQ is equals to BQM, because if you can prove that these two angles are equal, so and they are, so as they are corresponding to, so the lines will be easily called parallel when you will prove corresponding angles are equal. So here we started proving it. So first of all, as these are the bisectors, so we said these two angles are equal. Here also they are equal, and we label them as A. The moment you write this step, at the very moment you have to write, you have to label them like this. Okay, this is A, and this is also A, and this is B, and this is also B. This goes side by side. The moment you write this step in the proof, then you have to label them as A and B. Okay, now so we labeled it. Now what were we given? We were given these are the bisectors. We made use of that. Means bisector divides a line into, divides an angle into two equal parts. So वो तो हमने use कर ही लिया. हमारी other piece of information is these two lines are parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, so obviously they are going to be some equal angle. So let's see a transversal connecting these two lines, QF and OE. Who is connecting them? QO. So which two angles are going to be equal? This and this. You are writing A and B. So beta, when you write this is parallel to this, therefore A equals B, so that can be this A and this B. That can be this A and this B. No? So which one angles are you referring? I know all of you were referring these two only, but you must mention it by their names. There should not be any ambiguity. So what you should write, what I have written here, OE is parallel to QF, OE is parallel to QF. That means um, uh, MQF is QOE, MQF is QOE, and they are corresponding angles. And then you can write which implies X equals Y. Oh, see, I labeled them as A and B, and I proceeded the question in X and Y. So that's mistake on my side. So whenever you have to correct this mistake, so what to do? Because let's either change X into A or the opposite one. Let me change these only. Therefore, let me make it little thicker. So I A equals B, and then 2A equals 2B. Okay, so it's correct now. So they are corresponding, and so we prove these two are corresponding, which implies A equals to B. Okay, how you can say from figure or from here, whatever, because MQF is A. Okay, the MQF is A and QOE is B. So A equals B. So which implies 2A equals 2B. How come A equals B implies 2A equals B? Yes, if two things are same, their doubles are also same. So 2A equals 2B. And what is 2A and 2B? From figure, 2A is this angle and 2B is this angle. So 2A is this, I have written this, and I have also written from figure. These all reasoning were missing here. Okay, and for then after this, you all were writing directly this. No, please don't miss your basic steps that you have been taught before. So when two angles are equal, so the lines can be parallel, but you have to mention that these are corresponding angles. Okay, and one more thing, some of you were writing here angle AOQ equals to BQM, and here in the bracket corresponding angle. बेटा ये जो जगह है, यहाँ पर हम रीजन लिखते हैं. ये एंगल इसके बराबर था बिकॉज दे वर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंड द लाइंस वर पैरेलल. ये एंगल इसके बराबर है इसलिए नहीं कि ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स हैं. ये इसलिए बराबर है बिकॉज हम इस सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप से ये फॉलो करते हुए आए हैं कि a equals b, 2a equals b, and they are equal because we proved 2a equals 2b. They are not proved equal because they are corresponding. In fact, now we are going to use it as they are equal and as they are corresponding. Okay, so they are equal because of this. So reason ये नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर corresponding. So these two are equal and they are corresponding to when L and M are intersected by T. मतलब ये equal angles हैं और ये corresponding हैं जब L and M are intersected by T. That means L and M are parallel. ओके सो ये मिस्टेक्स हैं, प्लीज नोट देम. यहाँ पर कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग नहीं आएगा, वन मिस्टेक. सेकेंड, यहाँ पर a इक्वल्स b मत लिखें डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज a एंड b मैं तो आपकी फिगर से चेक कर रही हूँ विच a एंड b. ओके, विच a एंड b. अगर मैं यहाँ पर बोलूँ आपको a एंड b आर A and B are supplementary somewhat. So which A and B am I talking about? अभी तो confuse हो जाएंगे. Okay, they are 2A, 2B. So basically four sets of four pairs of A and B. So which pair of A and B am I talking about? That is to be clear. So just go minutely write everything. Once you'll get habit, it will take very less time. Okay, so and every proceeding of yours, just leave a line. Just like here, this is my letting procedure. I left a line, then I went to this, and there is a sequential step, so that's why there is no line. In fact, you can leave a little line here when you write the conclusion.